Alright, here we have my museum mint condition. And I kid you not, this thing is museum mint condition, clean as a whistle. Air King 20-inch box fan from 93 to 1994. And yeah, get a little better look at this thing to prove it. I mean, this thing I believe is, I found this new without the box, pretty much, because this fan does not have a speck of dirt on it still. I mean, this is pretty much, there's a couple of things, because I have used it. Sadly, I really did not want to use this fan upon me finding me, because look at the handle. The handle is, I mean, this fan is just clean. There's not a scratch on this thing at all. Not a speck of rust. The plastic is not yellowed at all. It might look like it just because of the shade of light on my dining room area here. But yes, this is the Air King by Lasko. Look at that motor. It's all I've had to do to this fan was take it up when I initially found this at not a local thrift store, but pretty far away, about an hour away. Yeah, I just almost had to grab it instantly. I just looked and seen that it was how clean it was. I looked around for the box. There was no box there, so a little bit of tape right here. But this thing is clean. I almost hate to use it. I have used it I guess like a few times since I've gotten it. I really hesitate on using it because it is so clean, but I might as well, because this is one of the many fans that I will refuse to let go of. So yeah. Oh, and also gotta give a special thanks to Tor the Fan Man for chiming in and filling me in on the correct model number for these fans. This is a model 9733, since it is Air King, not just normal Lasko. I was under the impression that these still followed the normal Lasko code as 3733, or this might have even been a 3723 with that configuration up there. But no, yeah, I appreciate that. But yeah, anyways, this thing is very, very clean. Like I said, and just to even prove my point further, look, it's still got the plastic on the badge here. 3-speed, that knob is really clean. Yeah. Grills are intact. There's not a single yellowing, no missing slats. I have a feeling that, yeah, this fan might have been used once. It's just hard to believe that somebody would purchase this fan and it sat all these years never being used. I'm guessing they might have used the original box it came in, probably to stow away other things, or I don't know, storage. But yeah, just to get another quick better look at this motor, it is super clean. Alright, something else pretty cool. Here's the plug for it. Runs with a polarized plug, and it is very clean. I mean, this plug is just, that's just why I suspect this thing, you know, is just new without the box, and I really hate to use it much, because but like I said, it's my fan. I'm gonna keep it. I might as well use it. Without further ado, I'm plugging it up to my favorite station. Here's high speed. This thing moves a ton of air. And this one, these motors on these seem to run at a little bit more higher RPM. So it sounds like it has a little bit more power to it. But they read pretty much normal. I mean, it's about 2 amps, which is normal for a Marco motor of the 80s and 90s. 161 watts. Medium. Lowe's still seems to have a little bit more power than, you know, the Galaxy Lascos and the other. I'm not sure about the Eastern Electrics. I've never owned one of those personally. But. All right, 1 amp, 87 watts. Like high speed. Spin down. Very quality fans here. These were, I mean, honestly, one of the best box fans you can get in the 90s. Sadly, they don't make them like they used to anymore. Another thing I noticed about this fan is the badge. It has the badge here on the left side. I have another Air King box fan which was from 94 to 1995, and that one has the badge over here on this side. And another strange thing is about the Air Kings, they only badge the front grill. They didn't, like Lasco and Galaxy would badge both sides of the grill, kind of cattywampus to each other. This one just badges it right here in the front for this model. And then, like I said, the 94 to 95 model I have, it has the plastic, hard plastic handle with the sundial knob. That one has the badge over here on the right side. So that's just a little noticing of something I noticed. But yeah, there's this really mint condition Air King 20-inch box fan, model 9733. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.